created a Confluent Kafka cluster, okay, and it is in running. Let's go to the net topic. So I created this topic, okay, with partitions. It's a November 27 topic, and so if you see here, there is a producer code, right? So we are giving this broker configuration details and Confluent key and password, and we are creating the sample data that needs to be uh, sent, like produced, basically. Okay, so name, age, city. Age we are doing random, and from names we are getting this, and cities also we are choosing from here. Okay, so this will get this is the configuration. Here broker we are giving the Confluent broker. Okay, and the topic we have mentioned right in Confluent, this one, November 27 topic. So I to explain further, so here the Kafka broker acts as a server that receives messages from producer and store them in topic. Consumer then connects to the broker to read messages from these topics. The broker does not directly send messages, stores messages and serves them to consumer when requested. Okay, and here the broker, it's the address of the Kafka broker in Confluent Cloud. So this is the address of the Kafka broker. It's a remote server, that is because here we are giving Confluent details, so it's a remote server in Confluent basically. So broker is responsible for managing Kafka topics, storing messages, and handling producer consumer request. Since now let's run this. If you see now, it, it's based on the code, it is generating the producer. Okay, so it's taking this name and city, SYD, NOAH, BLR, and it is assigning a random age, and it is so it receives the messages. Now since we are producing, the Kafka broker acts as a server that receives messages from producers and store them in the topic. Okay, now the Kafka, it acts as a server basically to receive the messages and store them in the topic. Now see, now if you want to read the messages, whatever that was generated from the producer code, we have to again write the consumer code. So basically, we these are the producer data, right? Name, age, and city. So basically, we are again reading. We're connecting to the broker, same broker, and we are using the protocol, everything, and topic. And here we are selecting select expression and name, age, city, and we are actually storing this in uh, Snowflake table. Now if I run this and I go here, And if I so you're getting this data, right? Same thing if I do count star, I got 1624. Okay. Now let's wait for few seconds. Here it's 1624, right? Let's run it. Hmm. I think they finished. Let me rerun this again. So this is the consumer code, right? Let's run the consumer code. We are storing in November 27 table 20. Oh, okay. What happened? Oh, okay. Let's see what is this available now in Copilot chat. Let's run now. The table output should be in table 21. Okay. Yeah, now we got table 21, right? Let's copy. So we got 9 now. Now you got 12. Now you got 15. So now you can see the data is coming. So basically you can see here is not a valid argument in PySpark 3.1. Pro explain for one time branch crossing count. So trigger once equal to true, now we give. Okay. Now it is writing to Snowflake. You can see the count got increased. So basically we are sending the data from producer, and the data is being stored in the server in the topic November 27 in Confluent Kafka, like how we saw here. The Confluent Kafka broker address is this one. It acts as a server and stores data in topic, and when consumer connects, it reads the data from those topics. So now I have ran producer code, consumer code. Consumer is storing data in Snowflake.